The M18A1 Claymore is an anti-personnel mine used by the United States Armed Forces. The development of the Claymore mine started in the early 1950s at the Edgewood. It was used in Korean War, Vietnam War, etc. Over the years, the use of the M18A1 Claymore in similar directional anti-personnel mines has raised ethical and legal concerns due to the potential harm they can cause to civilians and non-combatants. In this video, we will be explaining how a Claymore works. The height is 14 centimeters and length is 21 centimeters. It is 3.5 centimeters wide, weighed almost 1.6 kilograms. It's a rectangular-shaped weapon with convex front. The distinction between front and back is very important for Claymore, because this is a weapon that only explodes in one direction. The front side is written as front towards enemy, and in the back, the area will be empty or written as back. This is because, as we said, this weapon only explodes in one direction. For installing Claymore, spread out its legs. The legs spread out like scissors will support the Claymore. There is a sight on the top of the Claymore. The width of the sight indicates the approximate range of attack. The Claymore is positioned a little upward so that the explosive power will be upward rather than towards the ground. A fixture is placed 1 meter behind the Claymore. It is made by wooden rods or stakes into the ground. The launch wire is loosened and tied to the fixture. While moving backward, the Claymore may fall while pulling the wire, so the fixture will avoid this problem. The shipping plug priming adapter is rotated. This is located at the both end of the Claymore. The part called blasting cap is inserted into this adapter, then the adapter is plugged back to the Claymore. A blasting cap enters into the C4 explosive. Almost 700 grams of C4 explosives are filled inside a Claymore, and 700 steel beads form a thin layer above the C4 explosive. When the Claymore explodes, the steel beads spread and fly away, and this causes damage to the enemy. It caused direct damage to the enemy force, which is in the 50 meters range. The debris in the beads can fly up to 250 meters. The soldier who uses the Claymore should also keep sufficient distance, at least 30 meters away from the Claymore, since the debris will fly in all directions. The Claymore is usually covered in soil or plants to hide this from enemies. Before firing, the soldier has to prepare the firing device and the test set. The firing set is connected to the test set, and the shorting plug is also connected to the test set. After this, the safety pin is removed. This will allow the soldier to press the switch. A light flashes after pressing the switch, which indicates the signal is proper and the Claymore is ready to explode. So this is how a Claymore is operated. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like.